Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today is Thursday. It is Luck of the Draw Day. I don't know, I think Nan drew the name today. I have not had a chance yet to look at the video, so I don't know what color my Luck of the Draw is for this week. Excuse me. But I will probably be working on that during the Boggy Creek video this evening, or live. So come join us at Billy's house. We're going to be there. It'll be on Billy's Live. Nancy, of course, will be there because she's got a lot of boxes to open of Boggy Creek. So it's hashtag camp, or hashtag Boggy Camp 2022. And we're requesting handmade crocheted or knitted blankets for the children at camp. And we'll go into that tonight. So please be there 9 o'clock at Billy's house. Billy the Crafty Floridian. And it's Nancy from She's Got Yarn. And Nan from Nan's Next Knots and Trish from Mama Swift are the ones that are doing the Luck of the Draw. But I will probably, I've been the last few times that we've done the Boggy because Billy's narrating, you know, it's Billy's channel, she's doing her thing, Nancy's opening, and I'm just reading comments and crocheting. So that works out. So I'll be upstairs in the attic for that so that I don't disturb Roy and he doesn't disturb us. And let's see. What else? Oh, so welcome to the dining room. I know it's dining room. Look, snow. Oh, it was supposed to be a lot of snow, and it's not enough that it's sticking to the concrete. For those of you in the sunny, non-snowy places, the snow will stick to like the grass before it will stick to the concrete. So it's still melting on the concrete. Lucky for us, there are others that had to shovel. My girlfriend, maybe a 25-minute ride that direction. Not south, but like to the east or west of me. She had snow on her, you know, it wasn't enough that she had to shovel to get out of her driveway or anything, but she will be shoveling today. So there's that. But that's not what we're here to talk about either. Today is I finished her jammies. I finished Terry Bear's jammies. Yay, look at her. Now this outfit is sponsored by Laura from Mimi's Crochet and Farming because she gave me the yarn, and it is she got, I guess, maybe a mystery bag for my yarns. I don't know. She got ice yarns and she got mill ends, and they came like this. And so she gave me the little purple ones, and I think she gave me like 6 of them, and this took all but one. And isn't it cute? I totally love it. So I finished it last night. Now this is like a 3-weight yarn, the ice yarn magic lids, and Terry's made out of a 4-weight yarn, and the patterns are designed that you should be using the same weight yarn. I did not, as you can see. So I had to adjust a little to the pattern, but I totally like it. Now someone suggested that I put bunnies on the slippers, which is a cute idea. I'm probably not going to do that, but I have extra buttons and I might just sew them on. I have to find them where I stuck them. So I may not sew them on, I don't know. But I totally love the little pom-pom. I couldn't find my pom-pom maker, so I had to do the pom-pom the old-fashioned way and wrap it around my phone. I mean, I was doing this at like 2 o'clock in the morning, the pom-pom, and I wasn't going to go digging around to see where did I put my pom-pom maker. So, you know, there is always the old-fashioned way, and that worked. So Laura also had made this blanket. It had nothing to do with Terry Bear, but Laura made Mimi's Crochet and Farming and Farm Animals, apparently. since Nancy's added to the name of her channel. Anyway, so she sent me this because when she was making it, I'm like, ooh, I want that. I was playing an egg beggar. And so she sent it to me with the purple yarn, and then we decided that that needed to go to Terry for my granddaughter. So now I get to find the Terry Bear outfit project in my book and cross that off. Let's see, look at the draw. That's not going to be done for a minute. Oh, the fall cuddler, that's not going to be done until next year, probably for sure. That's the one I can't talk about. Ugly Christmas, not done yet. Terry Bear Jammies, got it. So I get to do the completed and turn up the page. But you know what that means. Let me just get my act together over here. That means I need to start another project, right? It's not that I have to have X amount of projects at one time, but I need to start another Terry Bear project. Just because the more, you know, I'm putting all of them together for my granddaughter for Christmas. So this is the box that they're living in, the basket, and all of her clothes and accessories go in here. Now, this is not a Terry Bear item. Like, I made this with the Grammy Wars. I can't remember which war this was from, which month, but I made this. And Terry has, so Terry's clothes and Terry's design came from this book, Dress Up Amigurumi. And I have made now the vet outfit with the little doggy and the jammies. And I made an outfit that wasn't in the book that I created myself out of leftover granny squares. And I've made the Halloween costume. Here it is. I've made the Halloween costume. I think that's all I've got in here. I'm not going to pull them all out for that outfit, probably. So now my grandkids, my son and his family, they have a boat. So I kind of want to do, and they spend a lot of time on their boat in the summer, and the girls love swimming. So they have in here, I just want to find the right page and show you the big picture. Number one, there's so many cute little outfits. I'm not going to have time to make them all. So there is a sailor outfit. Now this is, so the bear, you can make the bear with its body is the t-shirt, and that's how this outfit is made. My bear is made, or Terry is made, that her body is naked. Because two reasons that I did that. First and foremost is I didn't realize that the outfits, some of the outfits, you had to have the body made as a t-shirt. And secondly, she has a navel. If you make her naked, she gets an outie belly button. And I just thought that was so doggone cute that, and my yarn is pilling. Oh, that's wonderful. I just thought the outie belly button was so daggone cute. I had to make the outie belly button. And she has a tail, and so her clothes are designed to, her little tail sticks out. So because I wanted the belly button, I think my granddaughter will adore the belly button. And I didn't realize, you know, I wouldn't have put the t-shirt on anyway. It would have been, so now you have to make the t-shirt. Well, excuse me. So when you go to make this set, it tells you to make the bear with this shirt. Well, I'm not going to do that because I already have the bear. So I'll have to use a different shirt. But I like the beanie, and I like the little thing here. So I think that's real cute. You could do like the little sailor outfit, and then I would just make a skirt like I did with the I made a, I don't, oh, there it is. The Halloween costume skirt, like I could just do that and do, you know, the blue and white stripe. She also has, so keep that in mind, she also has, there's a glossary at the front, a beach set on 123. We haven't gotten that. Okay. So this is the beach set. So you've got, I like this little ring and the beach hat. So I'm kind of thinking like a two for one kind of thing. I feel like I want to make both of these if I can. You know, this one and the ducky one, because that ducky one is just too darn cute, right? And I like the beach hat, but I like the little, so I'm thinking blue and white, because my daughter-in-law does decorate their boat in blue and white, you know, the nautical theme stuff. So I'm really liking those things, and if she's the beach and the boat, she could have the walrus to go with that. There is also a polar set. These are two different sets here on the back, but there's a fishing one and a polar bear one, which would also all incorporate with the walrus that I'm giving her. So I kind of like to throw all that together somehow, like all the boating, water, nautical. But then, oh my goodness. Like, how can you not make that? But that's going to be really a quick make. I don't know about the headband. But the pom-poms and the little skirt, you know, and the cheerleader. I mean, she's a girl and she's 8. Cheerleaders, you need that. So there's so many cute ones. There's also, which I totally love, here it is. Now, how cute is that one? Just a raincoat. I totally like that as well. So I think I'm going to do the blue and white shirt and make a skirt and make the two little floaty things, and the sailor hat and maybe the beach hat, and then she can like just mix and match. But I really do like the sailor hat. That's really kind of a cute one. So I think I'm going to do that, and it'll be, so what I'm kind of thinking is do like, this is called the summer set. So this is the blue and white outfit, and then the hats and the swimming gear. That's what I think I should do. So we're just going to kind of combine everything. And that's going to be her boating set. It would be nice if I could make like a, well, she'll have the floaties, but they're not going to be big enough for her to sit on. And Avery might have an issue with that. She might be like, Grammy, how are these going to help her? And I will tell her, be creative. Just be creative. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're just going to probably do the blue and white and call it a day. And call it the pool set, the boat set, the boating set. That'll work. We'll just make up our own boating set from other pieces, parts. And at the end of a good day of boating and swimming, you put your jammies on and you go nighty-night. So that is where we're at with this, and I'm real excited about it. I'm real glad to have another project crossed off my book. Out of my book, a finished one. And it's not, I know a couple videos ago I said I'm not starting another project, but she's not really starting a project because that's still part of, I mean, each outfit I'm counting is a different project, but it's still part of the Christmas present for my grandkids. So it's all still one gift, one category, but different projects of that one category. So I'm excited to do that. And I want to I have that yarn picked, the greens and the variegates, to do another Boggy Creek blanket. I'm crocheting a little bit faster, so that's great news, but I'm not going to start that until I get finished with my my ugly Christmas sweater, my Christmas cardigan, which this isn't the video for that. So let's see, what else do I have? I think I wrote down some things. Okay, so let's not forget to go to Boggy Creek, to Billy's for Boggy Creek blankets tonight. Oh yeah, so I have been, not the last 2 weeks, not since I broke my arm, I haven't participated in Judy from Which Piece Craft. She's doing the hashtag Rock 2022 AU, where she you make things based on album covers. And there's a lot of choices with this one, and rainbow was one of the choices. And I was really thinking I wanted to do rainbow, like try to incorporate hers with the Terry Bear outfit. I'm not going to try to make up for the ones I didn't get done. I couldn't get them done. And yet I don't want to like drop out of supporting her channel. So I was thinking doing the bathing suits in the, the pool stuff, boat stuff, whatever, for Terry in the hashtag, the colors for this album. And you'll have to watch the video, but rainbow stuff was one of the choices, kind of. And rainbow works for an 8-year-old. But I really like the blue and white. I mean, that's what they do their boat in. So, and it's like all nautical boating stuff. So I don't know. I'm probably going to do the blue and white. And I was thinking of, I really like, this is some cotton acrylic from Ice Yarn is what this yarn is. And there's no fuzzy. Every yarn, acrylic yarn, gets a little fuzzy. There's no fuzzy on this, and I really like that for your like stitch definition and stuff. It's a 3-weight or maybe a 2-weight. So doing Terry's clothes in it, I would definitely have to double up. But I was thinking that would be kind of cool. But if I double it up, I won't have enough of each color. But I really like this yarn for Ammies, because they don't get any fuzz. If you don't want fuzz on them. And she's already pilling. Oh well. Probably won't use that yarn. Anyway, what do you think? Multicolored or the blue and white? The next thing I work on is going to be Luck of the Draw, so I'm not going to start anything for her until at least tomorrow, or maybe later, because I do have to work on the Ugly Christmas. I don't know, put in what you think. Should I go with the blue and white, or should I go more with like colors from the album? I'm thinking blue and white. Let me know what you think. So thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, all of that stuff. I always forget to say that. It's not that I want you to subscribe because you want to subscribe, and watch and, comment and all of that. And when people come to my house, I don't say, hey, thanks for stopping by, sign a guest list. So that's why I don't do it. Don't do it as much anyway. So anyway, you know the routine. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay? All right. Bye.